Welcome to Cheapskate. Today is November the 2nd, 2022, and we wanted to remember to be thankful for everything that we have and all of our blessings. Turkey Day is coming up. A lot of people are going to be doing family stuff. It's a day to remember family and what that's all about. I want to thank my people that have subscribed to my channel, people that have been subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. Every time you come and visit our channel and view our videos and like and comment, that means a lot. So we're going to keep on doing that to see where this channel goes. I want to thank my dad, who's always been there with a good piece of advice, especially when I needed him. Thank you, Dad. I want to thank my beautiful wife, whose courage and strength has always been a beacon of light that, like, I wish I could come close to the kind of positive person that she is. Thank you very much. I want to thank my kids. Without them, you know, I wouldn't be doing this channel either. I do this for my kids and with my kids because I want them to remember, you know, there's a world where magic is still possible, and I want them to make their own magic. I want them to believe that things can still happen, that if you can create them, if you think about creating them, then you believe it, then you can make it happen. So, you know, thank you for sticking around and liking this video and subscribing. But what we really want you to do is get out there, find a hobby, believe in your craft, invest in your tools, and whatever you do, keep it cheap.